I'm gonna take you home with me.
I got a car to take you home, okay?
Thank you.
I've been waiting for you.
I know we've come to take you home.
What are you doing here?
We have come to take you home.
And my car's here. I could just take you home.
No, ma'am.
Professor Arnold, I'm here to take you home.
I wish I could take you home with me. Jeff would really flip out.
What happened?
I have to go back to Seattle. Come, I'll take you home.
Let me take you home. Now.
No. I want them to see I'm not frightened.
I'm gonna take you home. Your parents are really worried about you.
You have to believe me.
I'm gonna take you home now, okay?
I don't want to go home. Take me to St. Vincent's.
And in a week, I'll pick you up at the airport and take you home.
Who's home? Yours or mine?
Ours.
Let me take you home. Come home with me. I got a little boy who's desperate to see his grandpa.
I promise. I'll be back and then I'm gonna take you home. All right? Together. We're going home.
You need to get some sleep. And you definitely need a shower. Come on. I'll take you home.
Good news. Your wife has come to take you home.
Huh. Finally. It's about time. What? Wait. I'm married?
I can't take you home.
What? In a wheelbarrow? Crew guys like you never have cars.
Lay off. I got feelings too.
Where? Down in your pants?
You've just been a really good friend to me. That's all.
Yeah. It's late.
I should take you home.